Hi, welcome to the Accounting Career Awareness Program video tutorial. This tutorial is to help you apply to the Accounting Career Awareness Program that is held at the U of H main campus here in Houston. And this is a paper application or a PDF application. So you can either print out the application and fill it out and scan and email it once you're done, or if you have a way to fill out a PDF on your computer, you can do that as well. If you don't have a printer or a way to fill out a PDF on your computer, you can also download a free app called Adobe Fill and Sign on your phone. And this app allows you to fill and sign a PDF document on your phone. So that's another option as well. And then you can go ahead and email that application to yourself so that you can email it to the actual accounting career program. So this application can be found in the student portal. So when you log into your Discover U student portal, you can click on the Accounting Career Awareness Program flow, and there you will see documents attached at the bottom of the page on when you're looking at the accounting career flow information. So if you have any trouble accessing this application, please reach out to your Discover U Flow advisor and they can help you get a copy. So we will be going through each page. So the Accounting Career Awareness Program will be held at the University of Houston at the College of Business. This is a program where you will be staying the night or living on campus during the duration of the program. So it's July 12th through the 18th. And the deadline to apply is Saturday, April 18th. So we do have some time to get the application in, but I would suggest getting in as earlier than the deadline, so that way you have a better chance of getting in and getting all your documents in. So on the second page, it's going to give you some of the program details. So the Accounting Career Awareness Program is a free 1-week summer residency program held on a college campus. So this means that you're going to be living at U of H in the dorms for 1 week during the duration of the program. You'll learn about accounting, finance, economics, and business management. So the staff who will be teaching you all this will be University of Houston faculty and any guest lecturers that they have that work in accounting, finance. They have their own businesses, or they work for the government, or they work for different corporations, to kind of talk to you about those different topics within accounting and finance. The program overview, they have each day what you'll be doing. So Sunday through Saturday are the topics that you'll be learning, if you'll be doing any field trips, those types of activities. So they discussed on their application that previous students were able to learn from professionals and executives from different companies like Chase Bank, the IRS, ExxonMobil, Shell, different companies. So their goal is to increase the number of ethnic high school students that attend college and major in accounting or business related fields. They also want to provide educational enrichment experiences for high school students and provide a pipeline program for students to the accounting profession. So, what is the criteria or eligibility to be able to apply? So, this program is competitive. You must submit a complete application packet that includes the Accounting Careers Awareness application. So, this paper application that we're looking at right now. You also must submit 2 letters of recommendation, a copy of your high school transcript, a photograph of yourself, and an essay. In addition to submitting the application, you will be attending an interview. So submitting the application and the rest of the documents are just round one of the process. Once you submit those documents in your application, then you'll be reached out to see if you will attend an interview. So they only accept a maximum of 20 students. So the criteria to participate is you must be an ethnic minority student. You must be a current high school student as of the application deadline date. So you must be currently enrolled in high school. You must be at least 14 years old and a minimum grade point average of 2.7. So if you do not meet all of those criteria, then your chances of getting accepted are not very high. So if you have a GPA of 2.7 or higher, then I would suggest applying to this program. Scholarship opportunities. So if you are selected to participate in this program, you'll also have an opportunity to earn scholarships, and they range from $100 to $1,500. And so they're all from different organizations or individual donors that are able to provide these scholarships to students. You do have to pay a security deposit, which is refundable. So because you're going to be living in the dorms at U of H, you do have to put down a $60 security deposit when they have their student parent meeting in June. This $60 will be refunded to you and your family once you complete the program. So basically, this deposit is to make sure if anything is damaged in the dorms or broken or anything that has been damaged while you're staying at the dorms, then that $60 is going to help cover whatever the cost would be if they had to replace something. But if you take care of your space, you don't break anything, damage anything, then that $60 will be returned to you on your last day of the camp. So say you pay the $60 at the parent meeting, but then you decide to withdraw from the program and you say, something came up or you change your mind, you don't want to do it. If you withdraw after July 1st or you don't show up on the first day of camp, which is July 12th, then you will lose your deposit. You don't get to get it back. So if anything happens to where you're feeling you're not going to be able to go, then I would let the program know before July 1st. Essential program expenses. So these are things that you might need to spend money on for the program. So although the program itself is free, the cost of staying on the campus, the food, all of the activities, those are free, but there's going to be some things that you may need to pay if it comes up. So, for example, lost meal card replacement fee. So this is to be able to eat at the U of H campus, you're going to get a meal card. It's going to look like a credit card type. And so if you lose that while you're at the camp, then you're going to have to pay $15 to get a new one. Okay. If you lose the key to your dorm, that could be about $267. So please, please, please do not lose that. Very important. These other two are optional. So if you don't want to, pay towards those items, you don't have to. It's not required. So on the next page, it's talking about program attire. What kind of clothes do you need to bring with you for the week that you're there on campus and participating in the program? So they're saying they are expecting students to adhere to the following dress code. So the day where they have an opening reception program sessions, they are asking for business casual. So if you're not sure what business casual is, usually that's kind of like nice pants, skirt, a nice shirt or top. It doesn't mean you need to show up in a suit and tie or a dress, a formal dress. It just means looking presentable, nice slacks, things like that. The corporate tour, so below they have a picture here. They're going to provide you a polo shirt to wear, but you need to wear slacks or skirts, no jeans. Okay. Um, Community service project. So here it's saying that they're going to provide you with a t-shirt and you can either wear shorts or jeans. I would suggest if you're going to wear shorts, to wear shorts that are, appropriate for attending a school function. So think of shorts, that you would be allowed to wear if you wore them to school. The closing banquet, so business professional. So here in the picture below, you can kind of see that, some of the female students are dressed in dresses or a skirt and a nice top. The male students, they're wearing a nice shirt, slacks, nice dress shoes, things like that. So they're giving you some examples of what you should be wearing or what types of clothes you should bring. If you don't have any of the type of clothing that they're asking for, we definitely don't want you or your family to be put on a financial strain to go buy clothing. So if you're wanting to find other ways of getting this type of clothing for your program, please reach out to your Discover You Flow advisor and they can help you kind of troubleshoot different ideas. Next, they kind of give you some examples of the universities that students have gone to after participating in the program. So there's a lot of local universities that students have gone to and a lot of out-of-state programs. So the next page is talking about the process. So you must either mail everything to the Accounting Career Awareness Program, and it has to be postmarked by Saturday, April 18th. Or you can scan and email it to info@nabahoustonacap.com. And in the subject line, you need to write ACAP 2020 application. So they're going to review the application that they receive between March 2nd through April 22nd. They will contact you for the student interviews, and here they say that they have them scheduled for Saturday, May 2nd. And so you do need to wear business professional attire when you attend the interview. So again, business professional, for women, it would be, slacks, a nice top, dress shoes, skirt. For the male students, it could be, nice slacks, a button down shirt, and possibly a tie if you have one. So anything where you're going to be professional, if you're not sure, you can also Google examples of what business professional attire looks like. And then they will let you know between May 13th and May 18th if you were accepted to the program. So as we go down, they will have a mandatory student parent informational meeting, and that's when your $60 refundable security deposits are due. It's cash only. So that will be Saturday, June 6th from 10 to 12 at the U of H College of Business. They'll let you know where exactly that will take place, which room. Again, you also need to wear business professional attire. Okay. They will be taking a group photograph at that meeting. As we go down, it's going to talk to you about the residency week. So again, July 12th through the 18th is when the program actually takes place.